Yongkang Chenao Gas Appliance Company Limited is a professional company engaged in research, development, production, sale and service of gas stove accessory, gas stove, gas burner, gas cooker, gas stove parts. We are located in Qingxi Industry Area, Xiangzhou Town, Yongkang, Jinhua City, Zhejiang Province, China, with convenient transportation. Due to our rich manufacturing experience, our company has captured a share in the global market, including Europe, America, Asia. You can depend on our reputation for reliable quality, innovative concepts, and styles. In addition, our competitive pricing and excellent service have helped us win the trust of more and more customers and clients. We have an outstanding engineering team with functional production lines, maintaining a strict system of internal quality control. Nowadays, we are renowned by our good quality, our superior price, and unparalleled service and timely shipment. Our skilled team members will work together to finish your orders according to your exact specifications. We have specialized engineer team, advanced automotive production line, maintaining strict quality control system. Nowadays, we are renowned by the stable quality, competitive price, fast service, and on-time shipment. Our skillful team member will work together to finish your order. By the way, small order is available for our hundreds of semi-products and stock. If you are interested about our items, please feel free to contact us for more information. We believe that we will be your reliable partner and win business together in the near future.